Sal Diamano and Barry Luxembourg. We've seen some of the more experienced judges be aligned early on tonight. Live odds suggests that Josh Van is ahead.
He's such a great compliment. Van did very well in round one, so they really could come down to round three. And it'll have to be ugly for Zalman.
Come on, Joshua.
Three is by the advantages of crisper, more accurate strikers.
And every time he jabs, that hair goes flying. We're talking about like Louis Benson Henderson, right? But there are aesthetics to it, as much as we love his hairstyle.
And let me ask you this question. What did Zalman feel when he tried to take Josh Van down that is making him not try to?
It's a great question. A lot of wrestlers and grapplers in the flyweight division that figured to test that more advanced game. So as yet, unable to do so.
Come on, Joshua.
Jimmy up 1 from 5 unofficially on his takedown attempts. So he got on round 3. There's the inside leg kick for Jimmy Gulak.
I mean, just imagine the level of MMA gyms there are today in DC compared to when this whole thing started. That this guy can wrestle for just 6 months in the week and stuff every takedown. That's also having fun for them to test this out.
Okay, yang mal tuklay. Okay, rang tuknan. Rang to. Mistok nga mesin.
Good connection there by Jimmy Gulak. And for us, sometimes we got not think too heavily into the film, right? Because Josh Van hasn't fought since last December, and the improvements he's made over 7 months as a striker.
Aku cakap war kiram kita. Anak rang. Aku tak kaya nga.
Even though he was winning the last time we watched the fight.
Connection by Josh Van.
Lai pa. Sintu sau. Tin chấm nó chút cho xoay nè lại xe.
Usual, gets the inside leg kick home. Josh Van continues to lead the dance beautifully, doubles up on the jet.
Yes, 29, scan 27. Nằm tên cho sợ. Nè lại xì, tên xe tên nè lại. Cho. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Yes.
做辅导大家是定。
Draw the cash in tonight. Hands on the other side as we go on with the match.
Ai, sao ngon thật xí. Cái bóc xì, cái nó
本是到天府的是电影，天也是。
Well, Rainmakers UFC has arrived. Collect fighter game cards and use them to compete in fantasy-style contests and complete challenges for thousands in prizes every week. Head to DraftKings.com/Rainmakers to get started. So Josh Van, DC, just landed unofficially his second most significant strikes in UFC flyweight history.
Yeah, so I was back, you saw that one. You see it in the last one, he was about to hit me. I mean, he fought really good. That jab, you know, Dominic talks about the jab being his best weapon at the start of the fight. And that is really what allowed for him to control this fight against Jalma Zuluglulov. That head kick right here.
Kì món lại xí mà.
They were pressure and
Kì
him
có
losing that
ăn.
round convincingly. In the third round, it was a much closer competitive round, but I thought Josh Van did enough.
Nó chỉ sức kia hay nệ ra sẽ kể hùa. Foi.
And there are your numbers round by round. Perhaps
131 to 149. Wrong one, I chose wrong to a name.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges'
这
scorecard.
边稍微偏。
Very much personal contest. 29-28.
Nãy đứng trước bấy xe nó lại có thiếu về là sao.
Somebody Amato scores it. 29-28. Yeah. And Eric Rowan scores the contest. 29-28 for the winner. By split decision, Joshua the Fearless.
Yes!
All right, so Josh Van leads a split decision. Yet another split for Zhalka Zhumagulov. 6 consecutive wins for Josh Van, and none bigger than that one as he gets it done in the UFC debut. All right, so we are about to get to the strawweights, and Jillian Robertson, who is the most decorated submission.